tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Some pepper. And a slightly beaten egg. Now we're just going to mix it up. After you're done mixing, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, lightly beating it, some pepper, and 3 boneless chicken breasts cut into pieces. Then you're going to add in a cup of flour. This helps the chicken get its crispiness when you fry it. And then you're just going to mix it up again until all the chicken is coated with the flour. After the chicken is evenly coated with the flour, set it aside. And now we're going to start making the sauce. In order to make that, you need 1/4 cup of chicken stock or a 1/4 cup of water. So I have 1/4 cup of water. Pour that in. Then 1/4 cup of sugar. And then a tablespoon of soy sauce. And 2 tablespoons of vinegar. You can use plain white vinegar, but I don't have that, and I have balsamic vinegar, so I'm just using this. After you're done mixing in the vinegar, you're going to need to mix in 3 tablespoons of honey. And then mix it in. Make sure everything's well combined. After you're done mixing the sauce, now we're going to bring some canola oil to the boil. Now after it gets super hot, we're going to fry the chicken. After your oil is starting to get hot, you can start frying your chicken. And also another tip is, don't fry all your chicken at once, or else it'll take a long time to cook. So it's better you do them in batches. After you're done frying all the chicken, the sauce, bring that to a boil. While the sauce is getting into a boil, here I have some water and 2 spoons of flour. You might want to get this mixed up before this. After this gets into boil, we're going to pour this in, and it'll help thicken the sauce. After the sauce has come to a boil, pour in the flour and water mixture and mix it. You should leave this on the stove for like another 5 minutes until you see that it starts to thicken. After the sauce has thickened up a bit, put the chicken in the bowl and pour the sauce over it. So thick that looks. After you transferred all the sauce into the bowl, just get a good mix so that all the sauce gets spread over all the chicken. After you're mixing it, you can see how tasty the chicken looks coated in the sauce. And this is how you make crispy honey chicken.